Hi everyone. Well, it looks as though you really liked our thank you customer sale.
Yes.
Since we're almost out of jewelry.
Thank you so much. I can't wait to see the pictures of everything that you purchased and how you're wearing it,
that's a good
layering it
idea.
on. So
Sure.
be sure you're posting on Facebook. Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be great.
And you can always visit us on AmericanWestJewelry.com too, where we're going to be posting updates and things.
So on AmericanWest.com, we're probably going to be in maintenance mode for a week or so while we transfer the site over to an informational site.
Right.
It's going to be, what stories are happening with Carolyn and I, what's coming up on QVC, that kind of thing. It's going to be more informational and not transactional. You can't buy anything sorry about that.
Well, we have nothing left. Almost.
For several weeks anyway. So, but thank you so much for all of your collectors and the new collectors that we've gotten started with these great special, unbelievable special prices.
That's right. It's
Yeah.
been a lot of fun, and everybody has been pitching in and pulling your orders and getting
Yep.
them shipped to you. And everybody's so excited to see, so many beautiful pieces of jewelry go out the door, and knowing that you love them so much.
Oh,
so,
yeah. Amazing.
It's been a lot of fun for us to give you these great deals, because I just love to see you in more jewelry.
Yeah, and so we'll be sending you a couple of emails because Carolyn is going to be on QVC,
That's right.
at QVC in studio on Memorial Day.
Memorial Day, yeah.
Or
Memorial Day weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. It'll be fun.
Yeah, so we'll have lots of new product there, right?
Yeah, and we actually have been busy making all those pieces too.
We have.
Right? So
Yes.
everything in that visit will be is already there or on its way, and
Yep.
so it's going to be fun. There's a lot of great stuff.
Yep, so please tune in and we will see you then, and thank you again for your years and years of collecting and supporting Carolyn and I and our big team
That's right.
at work, our great team at work. So thank you again so much, all you collectors and new collectors. So hope to see you on Memorial Day.
Yeah, we'll see you down the road.
Bye.
Bye.